What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to really quick change out your AirTag battery when you get a notification in your Find My iPhone that the battery is low. It's a good time to change it, and it's fairly simple. It doesn't take that long. The battery that you'll need will be one of these. This is just a simple CR2032, assuming the camera will pick it up. I recommend getting the lithium versions of these as it lasts a little bit longer. It's just a normal alkaline. But it really just depends on how often you lose your stuff. But generally, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is simply take your AirTag, just going to push down and rotate counterclockwise. You'll probably have to do it a few times until you can get a grip with your finger on it. But once you do, you'll feel the cover pop off. And as you can see, voila, that's it right there. You simply just pull that out. Pop in your new one. Again, you want the top part, which is going to be this piece right here, the plus part right there. The camera picks it up. You want that part facing the bottom, or the top facing up. You push that down. Again, you simply take your little top, and you'll see these three little crevices, these three little latches right there on it. Let me zoom in really quick. So right there, those little crevices, those three little right there, take your, and you just match up these little pieces right here, little hooks on each end. Simply just latch them up. You'll feel it when it clicks in. You hear the sound, and then you simply just counterclockwise again. And it just takes a few minutes to actually put it on. My fingers are a little bit slippery, but once it's on, you will know, and voila. You will hear a sound, makes a nice little chirp, and you are good to go. And that is how you change out a battery on an AirTag.